Welcome to Hot Seat by Hotyor, where the questions are bold, the answers are revealing, and the guest has nowhere to hide. So today I have Xander Lama here, who's taken the seat.
Thank you, Sasha, for having me here.
Thank you so much for being here. Xander, welcome to the Hot Seat. And
Yes.
first question, coffee order and current mood. Or matcha order, current mood.
I think usually I drink coffee, but according to this atmosphere, I think I currently change my mood completely to matcha.
Okay, then cheers to that. If your life had a movie title, what would it be?
It would be, I think probably it's gonna be from no one to someone, I guess.
Great.
Yeah, there will be many more. There is a way of living the life.
Love it, Xander. Love it. What makes a man stylish? Clothes, body language, confidence, or mystery?
The personal styling, his personal touch, because that defines his confidence, and that confidence defines the whole cloth.
Right.
So there is a quote in that: "Man make the clothes."
Do you prefer playing the good guy, the dangerous guy, or just a misunderstood guy?
Probably, I would say good guy until you provoke him to be dangerous.
Got it. I'm just trying to now know your personality, okay, through these questions. What's one emotion you find difficult to perform on camera?
I think I believe in intensity because I feel I'm the kind of actor who get bored with doing the same thing again and again and again. I want to explore something new. The same most of the time. Even my director said like when I have to do the same body language at the same time, but I always keep doing those moments in a little bit different way.
Right.
So make it fresh to look like that. That whole experience is going to be new because I want to do kind of unsure acting for myself. So every expression is going to be organic.
Looking forward to that. What do you want young people from the mountain regions or mixed backgrounds to feel when they see you? Because, come on, you've got a very interesting background. So maybe you can talk about it.
Yeah, because my journey started way long back. I think I have a mix genetics, as you know me. I have a Korean genes in me. I have a Buddhist genes in me. I have a Indian genes in me. I have a Nepalese genes in me. So I think for that, I think that's actually working on my craft also. I can speak multiple languages. I can speak Hindi. I think Maharashtrian also. I'm learning Telugu also.
So, since you said you're learning or you know a lot of languages, how fluent are you with Nepalese?
नेपालीजमा त म राम्रो छु
राम्रै छ
र मैले भर्खरै आई थिङ्क मैले पहिले थाहा थिएन कि हजुर नेपाली हुनुहुन्छ सिलिगुडीबाट हुनुहुन्छ
हो त।
नाउ आई नो सो when are you going to call me for a next Thakali
I'm calling
brunch?
you to Riverview Project, please, anytime. It's your home.
Yes,
Yes,
you did.
you must.
You did.
I did also. When you
Yeah,
were shooting
you
with
did.
Karthik, I did.
Yes, I was
did.
doing that.
Yes, but
Yeah.
we will have.
But soon,
him back
soon.
soon.
Soon Nepali Thakali is on the.
Right. Runway or film set?
I think decades before was a runway, and now it's all about films.
All about films.
But yeah, I can say like runway was my first love,
Right.
and film is I got married with.
Love that. Look at these lines. Fame or respect?
I believe in respect because respect is that you need to hard work a lot for that to earn that. So when you get that, things follow.
Now listen, I'm not going to ask you about the exes, but one word maybe your girlfriends, present, past, have always described about you.
A classic gentleman.
Nice. What's the most attractive quality in a woman?
I believe that her intensity to see the world, see the life, and respect all the human beings around her.
Respect is first.
Respect is hers
Yeah.
because that has a lot of meaning. Because if she know how to respect, she respect herself
Right.
first. So I think world start with respect,
Right.
and respect always put you in the positive surroundings.
What instantly kills attraction for you?
There's nothing like that because I think everyone's going with their own problems in their life. So I am saying like I'm no one to judge anyone. So I think if someone is being nice, I'll be nice, and I think it completely depends on the way I see the world.
Right.
So I'm no
Nice.
one to judge anyone.
What's more intimate, eye contact or conversation?
I completely go with the conversation because eye contact sometimes is confusing.
Yeah.
So you never know about that person until you speak.
I think I'm with you on this. Okay, what are your, red flags? It can be in friendships, it can be in relationships. Like, what do you see as a red flag?
Everyone have to be equal respect. That I can say that because if the respect is not there, so nothing will works.
Becoming back to respect. What's your green flag that people discover later?
About me, that I'm insanely very caring person, which I like. If someone is having a first impression, that they will say, okay, they usually get intimidated with me most of the time. But when they gel up with me, they find out he's a completely caring person.
And you forgot to tell one more thing that you cook.
Yeah, that is part two.
What did modeling teach you about rejection?
I think when I started my modeling journey decades before, I think during that time there was no Asian guy, there was no skinny guy. I used to get rejected by a lot of people, and I think there were number was I think countless. Then I got to know that I need to make my own mark, I need to make my own space, and I did that.
You did that, of course.
Yeah.
Do you think men today are comfortable being vulnerable?
Yes, I find that men are very emotional human being, but the only thing that most of the men doesn't able to express it, but they insanely caring. Now today's time, a lot of new generations are opening up about their feelings, so which is I find a really good thing.
What is that one role that you're waiting for the industry to give you?
The kind of role I'm waiting for, which is completely transform the whole industry.
That's a bomb. Love that. Final hot seat questions, and are you
Yes,
ready?
yes, I'm.
What is hotter? Ambition, mystery, or honesty?
Firstly, is going with the honesty, because when you're honest with yourself, when you're honest with your dreams, then start ambitions, and the ambitions can go far, and you can achieve that with the honesty, because in that process, if you're honest, you're not going to break a lot of hearts. You're achieving those ambitions with a lot of people praise. So what is more important for you? The success, definitely you will do it, because if you're hardworking, you will get that I think success. But at the same time, if you get honesty and you get respect, then the taste of the success is completely different.
I think Xander has really prepared all my questions. Thank you
I told you,
very
I'm a
much.
classic gentleman.
What a great chat. Like, I mean, I've been always wanting, like, I mean, we spoke about it the last
Yeah.
time that we want to have a candid conversation that would also somehow help people out there thinking to join probably the industry or what they think about people on the other side, you
Yeah.
know. So thank you very much for
Thank
being
you.
here with me. on
Thanks
the
so
hot
much for
seat.
having me.
And that was Xander Lama with me here on the hot seat. Honest, charming, and of course, we had a blast. One guest down, the seat is still hot. I'm Sasha. See you on the next episode of Hot Seat.